Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out the Best Heat Press Machine, a top pick for DIYers, crafters, and small business owners. If you need a heat press that's reliable, safe, and super versatile, this one's worth a look. Let's get started. Product features. Digital control features. Right off the bat, the Vever Heat Press makes a strong impression with its digital control panel. It features an easy-to-read dual-screen display, one for temperature and one for time, so you can monitor both settings at a glance. The silicone buttons are soft to the touch, making the interface comfortable and responsive. One standout convenience? You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit depending on your preference. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kind of precision and ease of use goes a long way toward making every heat transfer a success. Dual-tube heating technology. One of the most important things in a heat press is consistent heating, and the Vevor really shines here. It uses dual-tube heating technology, which offers a big improvement over traditional single-tube designs. This system ensures even heat distribution with only about a 5-degree difference between the center and edges of the heat platen. That means no cold spots, and your designs come out sharp, clean, and consistent, whether you're pressing logos, quotes, or full shirt designs. This feature is especially valuable for larger projects where uniform heating is key to high-quality results. 360-degree swing-away design. Next up is one of the best safety and usability features, the 360-degree swing-away design. This allows the upper heating element to fully rotate to the side, giving you clear access to your work surface. Not only does this reduce the risk of accidental burns, but it also allows for even pressure application on your material. This design is especially helpful when working with thicker fabrics or layered designs where pressure accuracy is crucial. Safety and heat insulation. Safety is a big concern when working with high-temperature equipment, and Vever clearly took this seriously. It features dual insulation technology, so while the inside heats up to the standard 210 degrees working temperature, the outer surface only reaches 50 to 70 degrees. Compare that to traditional heat presses that often reach up to 100 degrees on the surface, and it's easy to see how this machine offers a much safer working environment. Whether you're in a home studio or a busy workspace, that kind of protection makes a big difference. Pros: easy-to-use digital control panel with temperature and time display. Dual-tube heating for even and reliable heat distribution. 360-degree swing-away design for safe and convenient operation. High safety standards with a low external surface temperature. Large Teflon-coated platen, perfect for a wide range of fabric sizes. 8-in-1 functionality allows for creative flexibility. Strong build quality and reliable performance. Cons: the machine is relatively heavy, so it's not easy to move around. Initial setup can take a little time, especially for beginners. Instructions could be clearer for some of the accessory attachments. That said, once you're past the learning curve, the performance more than makes up for it. Final thoughts. To wrap things up, the Vever Heat Press Machine is a well-built, feature-rich, and highly versatile tool that's perfect for both beginners and experienced users. With advanced heating technology, impressive safety features, and support for multiple product types, it offers amazing value for the price. If you're looking to up your heat transfer game, whether it's for crafting, business, or personal projects, the Vever is definitely worth considering. Check out the price link in the description below and see if this powerhouse is right for your setup. And don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more awesome reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.